Aya, Achibeng, congrats sa inyong dalawa. Good luck sa new journey niyo sa buhay.
Sabi nga nila, falling in love is easy, but staying in love is a different thing. So, ayun, just keep God at the center of your relationship and love one another, love everyone. Yun naman din ang secret para sa happiness, just love.
Aya, and Achibeng, congratulations. Mahabaan yung pasensya. Ulit.
Ayaw mo yan.
Huwag na. Okay na yun. Magkamukha naman kami.
You're like a picture on the walls in my head. Colors like mountains I could never forget. You are my heart. You are my heart.
Malita. Thank you. And way to travel the world with you. I know you've been working so hard every day. I have another gift inside this luggage. See you at the aisle. I love you. Love, babe. Love you. Yung massage chair. Hindi na kami magpapamasahe. Pwede na sa bahay. Thank you.
Favorite mo to. Cheers!
Of all the things I've ever seen, you're a magic that I never thought I'd find. And there's no in between. You and me will run until the end of time.
Justin, share ko sa'yo usapan namin ni God. Deal namin, kung hindi matino ang dadating for me, sabi ko wag muna. You also know that I've been single for more than 10 years. Little did I know, He's been preparing me for a life-changing twist. Then you came. Sabi nga, ramdam mo pag yun na. So ayun na nga, tinamaan na nga ng lintik. Pero masaya. Every day, I'm more excited to wake up and see what the future holds for us. I'm not worried because I'll be with you. Thank you for the assurance that you gave me from the start. And not just saying that you love me every day, but making me feel it as well.
You stole the light from the stars above and brought it here tonight.
To my loving bright Beng, ngayong sagradong araw na to, gusto kong simula sa pasasalamat dahil nandiyan ka sumusuporta sa akin at nag-aalaga. Maraming salamat sa pagmamahal at pag-unawa sa araw-araw. Wala akong ibang gusto ipangako kundi ang respeto at pagmamahal dahil naniniwala ako na yan ang pinaka-importante sa habang buhay na pagsasama. Simula ngayong araw nito ay lagi mong tatandaan na mayroong Justin na nakasuporta at tutulong sa iyo anumang bagay sa habang buhay.
All my life I've been waiting for this moment to arrive. Ooh. Is this a dream? I can't believe that you're standing here with me. And I'm falling for you. And I'm falling for you.
si Andre, dati, laging seryoso, tahimik lang. Tapos parang lately, parang bumabait ngiti ng ngiti.
Sumasaya siya.
Oo, si Ate Beng na pala yun. Parang mas naging outgoing si Andre dahil kay Ate Beng.
Kumaya si Ayan.
Oo, mas kumaya siya.
Siya, may lagi na masaya.
Parang na-accelerate yung life ni Andre simula nung dumating si Ate Beng.
Nagkakulay ang buhay.
Nagkakulay.
Nagkakulay ang buhay niya.
I promise to do the same, to protect our marriage, take care of you and our future children. I love you and thank you for making it just in time.